Christmas edition.
Merry Christmas!
Is everybody in the holiday spirit?
Yay!
Thank you, Kinetic Sand.
Let's open it now.
And Spinmaster. Here's our note from the Kinetic Sand. This is the holiday box. Dear Sand lover, happy holidays. We hope you are enjoying this beautiful time of the year and are excited for the upcoming holiday season. Are you guys excited for the holiday season?
Yeah!
Good job, guys. As you spend time at home with your loved ones, we have the perfect activity for you all. In this box, you will find our new Kinetic Sand scents. Wow!
This one. Is it this one?
Yes, very nice.
Confetti.
Go crazy, go bananas, watermelon burst, and razzleberry. Create your holiday #satisfying favorites with these new scents. Additionally, keep on shining and sparkling with our shimmer sand while you get glitz and glam for the holidays. Okay, so as always, we hope you enjoy and thank you #Kinetic Sand and @Kinetic Sand.
This is the scented Kinetic Sand, and we have cookie cutters.
Nice! Don't forget to follow them on Instagram @Kinetic Sand, guys. So let's see what we have in this awesome holiday box.
So we have these. We have scented Kinetic Sand.
Anybody want to show them to me? Hand it over to me. We have Kinetic Sand Scents. It's a 4-pack. The one and only. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's berry, banana, cookie, and watermelon. It's perfect. There's 4 of you guys.
Yeah, I like the cookie. I want the cookie. I want the banana. I want watermelon. This is so cool. What's that? I want to be.
We have the one and only Kinetic Sand Unicorn.
Look at this, guys.
Those are so cool.
It's so fun. Look. Confetti.
Confetti sand. Wow, shimmer.
Confetti. Wow. It's a Kinetic Sand ornament. Look, it's the Kinetic Sand shimmer.
Wow.
Whoa, look at this awesome snowflake cookie cutter. I can use this to cut some Kinetic Sand into a snowflake shape.
Yay.
Open this perfume Kinetic Sand first. I want the cookie dough. I want the watermelon. I want blueberry. I want the banana.
Yay.
Look, guys.
Wow.
Ooh, banana.
So let's everybody show what you guys have.
Hurry, open it. Banana.
Awesome, guys. Let's get opening.
What's yours called? Cookie dough. Mine smells like cookies. Mine smells like blueberry. Mine smells like watermelon. Ooh, banana. Let's make snowflakes. Your turn. My turn.
And it's the holiday season, so you guys are all sharing, right?
Yeah.
Because this holiday season, it's all about sharing and giving and what? Caring. Good job, guys.
I'm gonna spread my I can't make. Kinetic Sand Christmas ornament by putting all the Kinetic Sand inside. Ooh, great idea, Chloe. Alright, my turn. Just a little bit. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's Aiden's turn. And then we help the cross. Thank you. It's up to CJ Contact. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, it's Arya's turn! Pink! Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, and subscribe. Okay, let's close it. Please do that.
Whoa! Why don't you add more, guys?
Please like, comment, and subscribe. The more subs we get, the more videos we make to make you enjoy it. Please stay at your TV or phone or laptop. Or whatever device you're using to watch YouTube. That's the right one. Basically, the more subs we get, the more videos we make for your enjoyment. I'm gonna add more. We're making a board of it. Okay, come here. Let's add some blueberry raspberries. Does anyone have the cookie cutter? No.
Right behind you.
Oh.
Ate Chloe.
This smells good. Can I have some?
This is such a fun family activity, right, guys?
Yeah.
Wow, put it in the tree. Perfect. Perfect add-on to the Christmas tree.
Looks like we're gonna open this Kinetic Sand unicorn set. Wow, I'm so excited. It's purple. Wait, no. It's rainbow. We have two guest stars. We have some new guest stars. Well, two dog stars.
Wow.
We have some rainbow. We have some new guests. We have some new guests. Evie and Lala. Where's the cookie cutter? Okay, Lala's leaving.
Go play with Ate Chloe.
Alright, let's do this. I'll go play. Roll up your sleeves, kids. Ready? Remember, kids,
Trying to eat the
roll up your sleeves when you playing with sand. Also, you get your clothes dirty. Thank you, Kinetic Sand and spinmaster. Subscribe for more videos like these. All your videos in this video. That's not subscribe and also comment. Like, sub, and comment. Like, sub, and comment. Like, sub, and comment.
Yeah!